There is tremendous opportunity. We have just lifted a moratorium that had been put on mining. We have set the rules. We have put in place the regulations, and we are ready to go. So if there is any person in the space of mining, you have an opportunity in Kenya. And we have huge assets, from cobalt to rare earth to many other important minerals. On blue economy, the potential there is 120 billion Kenya shillings every year. We are only doing a fifth. So there is opportunity in that space. We are doing 20 billion at the moment. We can do 120 billion. There is space in the blue economy. There is space in the marine ecosystem. Again, we can work with American companies or other private sector actors in that space. We have set the rules. We have put the investment environment in the right place, and there is opportunity there. And of course, tourism. It is rare to go to a place where, as you speak, the gods are giving you endorsement through rain. And if you wanted a witness, Gina is here. So Kenya is the cradle of humanity. The earliest remains of man are found in Kenya. That is why you hear Ambassador here saying people like to live in Kenya, because Kenya is home to everybody. Yes, that's what it is. And it's not me saying, it is science saying that Kenya is the home of humanity. So we have a great tourist product, from the wildebeest migration in our national parks to our sandy beaches. And of course, we have made it easier for you to travel to Kenya. Today, you don't need a visa to come to Kenya. Just need to fill a small form. It takes about 7 minutes, and you will have the authorization to come to Kenya. So please, those of you who are listening to me from different parts of the world, you're welcome home to Kenya.